Casey Jones, he was a mighty man, but now he's resting in the promised land. The kind of music he could understand was an 8-wheel driver under his command. He made the freight train boogie all the time. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. Woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. When that bomber started ringing the bell, everybody on the line could tell Casey Jones, he was a-coming to town on a 6-8-wheeler that was burning the ground. He made the freight train boogie all the time. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. Woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp, woo woo, womp womp. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. Woo woo, womp womp, womp womp. He made the freight train boogie as he rolled down the line. Woo woo, womp womp.
Coaching long, train I ride, 16 coaching long. Well, it took my baby, and now she's gone, and now she's gone. Train I ride, coming down the line. Well, it took my baby, but she's mine, oh mine, she's mine, oh mine. Bringing my baby home again, baby back again, baby home again, baby back again, baby home again, baby home again.
You got thick black smoke coming out of your stack. You got 100 boxcars being pulled in back. You're stopping at the station all along the way. When you roll on by, you can hear them say, you're such a smooth operator, smooth operator. You're such a smooth operator, headed down the line. You got a full head of steam and you're right on time. You're such a smooth operator, smooth operator. You're such a smooth operator, and that's a fact, 'cause you're the king of the railroad track. travel along through the countryside, just playing your song on those railway ties. You're headed home and your whistle blows. Down at the station everybody knows you're such a smooth operator. Smooth operator. You're such a smooth operator, headed down the line. You got a full head of steam and you're right on time. You're such a smooth operator. Smooth operator. You're such a smooth operator, and that's a fact, 'cause you're the king of the railroad track. You're such a smooth operator, and that's a fact, 'cause you're the king of the railroad track.
Buses and planes just aren't the same compared to the side of a big old train. When I see the big engine headed down the track, I get all excited, and that's a fact. There's no denying it, I love big trains. Buses and planes just aren't the same compared to the side of a big old train. When I know there's something big headed down the line, I feel a chill running down my spine. There's no denying it, I love big trains. There's no denying it, I love big trains. There's no denying it, I love big trains.